Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing my final update slash check-in for the products that I wanted to use by the end of the year. I believe it was right at the end of September, or it was like really early October. I kind of set aside some products that I had a goal of finishing by the end of 2017. I have 7 products. I'm about halfway. I finished like half of them. So let's jump in. The first item was from Mario Badescu. It is the Hyaluronic Eye Cream. This actually is a product that I finished. It is all gone. I got this for Christmas last year and just wasn't really serious about using it. I'd kind of use it here and there, and I feel like I should use eye cream, so that was kind of why I wanted to use this. And it's also in a pot, and so I know it's not super sterile to keep this around forever and ever. So I thought I should get this used up. I feel like I don't really have a ton of thoughts on this. I don't really notice a difference in my under eye area. I feel like, I don't know. I think it helps a little bit. I mean it moisturizes for sure, and I do notice a difference when I use it as opposed to not using an eye cream. So I mean, I guess it served its purpose, and I finished it, so yay! The next thing is also something that I finished. It's from Bare Minerals, and it's the Blemish Remedy Foundation. I've had this for probably a little over a year. This black line was when I first started, and then my last check-in, which was, I believe, right around Thanksgiving time, and then now it's completely gone. I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna have to get some other kind of face powder. I love Bare Minerals powder foundation. I think they do a great job. I feel like it looks great on my skin, and it lasts for a long time, and I feel like the longer you wear it, throughout the day, the longer you wear it, the more natural it looks. You can put it on and it starts to look, it's a little powdery, as well as I feel like it builds coverage throughout the day. Am I totally off on that? I feel like it builds coverage throughout the day. I don't know how that's possible, but I love the foundation. I will probably get the matte foundation next time. That one's my favorite. This one's similar, but it's supposed to be blemish remedying, it's supposed to help with blemishes, and I feel like I didn't notice any difference with that. But I'm glad I finished it. Next was from Wet n Wild. It is the Photo Focus Face Primer. And this was another one that I finished. The lines here, this is kind of where we started. First check-in, and now it's gone. I used this quite a bit. I tried to actually use this before, I've tried to finish this before we went to California for Christmas, because I got a little travel size primer that I was planning on using for that, and so I thought, I just want to use this now, get it out of the way, and not have to worry about it while I'm in California. And that's exactly what happened. I think I actually got back and I had one use out of it, so I used that. This is good. I think it's a good basic face primer. I don't notice anything outstanding about it. I don't think it helps with oil. I do think it helps with keeping things in place, but I wouldn't say it's pore minimizing or anything, but it helps. This one I'm kind of counting as done because it just got annoying to use. This is from Tarte. It's the Precision Longwear Liner. It's from the Lights Camera Lashes line. I liked this the first few times I used it. It's got this nice tip to it, and see, it's it kind of is it doesn't really want to work on the tip, but if you push down at the base, it works. And so I attempted to use this one more time today. I ended up having to go in with another eyeliner because I just couldn't get a precise line on anything, because I had to use the base of the tip, which is annoying. And so I won't be repurchasing this. I bought it at Ulta when they were having a sale on it. I think I paid $10 for it, but I feel like it's not worth $10 even. So I don't recommend this, and I won't ever buy this again. One that I am so close to finishing is from Wet n Wild. It's the Gel Lip Liner, and I have it in the shade Bear to Comment. And I'm wearing it today on my lips, just the lip liner, that's it. I really like this lip liner, and so I was trying to use it, but I kind of just didn't get around to it, but that is all that's left. That's all the way rolled up. So I can probably get like maybe 3 or 4 uses out of this still. So I'll definitely keep using that. Something that I thought I would get a lot more progress on up front, and then at the check-in I kind of realized this isn't happening, is from Urban Decay, and it's one of their highlighters, and it's in the shade Sin. So I feel like I have made quite a big dent in this. If you can kind of see, there's like a lot of product that is gone, especially up in this area here. I got this in an Ipsy bag quite a while ago. I really enjoy this highlighter. I'm wearing it today. I think it's just like such a pretty highlighter. I feel like it's great for my skin tone. So while I did not finish it, I'm happy to still have it around because I'm going to continue using this until it's gone. I think it's so good. But I also realized I probably don't need to like ever buy highlight again. Between this and I have like a Becca one and an Essence one, and I think maybe even like an e.l.f. one, I probably am set on highlights. Like I'm never gonna finish this. I'm never ever gonna finish the other ones I have that are full size. So I think you probably only need like 1 or 2 highlighters at a time depending on what look you're going for. So I won't be buying a highlighter for a long time. Maybe. Here's to hoping. And the last thing was something that I was also kind of overambitious about. It is from Prada. It's the Prada Candy Rollerball perfume. I really enjoy this perfume. I believe I mentioned this when I first started this project to finish these products by the end of the year, is that I got this like this spring for my birthday, so not even that long ago. My birthday's in May, so it's been like 7 months, and I feel like, or even at that time it had been like 5 months, I feel like it started smelling slightly different, like kind of plasticky. I don't know if you've ever noticed, like I feel like perfumes I've had in the past, once they start going bad, they get like a weird plastic scent to them. And so I was just trying to get a lot of use out of this. I think it's still wearable for sure, and it's definitely not bad. I feel like it's just leaning towards going bad. So you can just barely see the lines on here. That top one up here was from the intro, and then the check-in line is like barely above where I'm at right now. I kind of got, like, kind of forgot about it, and I like it. Like, I'll put it on today because I don't have perfume on yet. I pretty much am only buying rollerball perfumes from now on because, I mean, I'm not going to use a full-size perfume, obviously, and I just like wearing different scents, and so I think that was kind of my thing with this. I probably won't try and put a perfume in such a small period of time ever again because I just wanted to smell like different things other than Prada candy. While I like it, I just wanted variance, you know, variety. So those were my 7 things I finished. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting the Tarte liner as finished. So I finished 4 products, am very close on 1 product, and then I have 2 products that are not close at all. I would like to start another project pan of some sorts here soon. I'll probably get one going within this first month of the year, which, Happy New Year, by the way. So I'll probably get something going here in January. I just haven't picked out products that I'd like to use quite yet. So I'll probably have that up soon. But if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more videos like this, I really enjoy like panning videos and finishing products. I think it's really interesting. You get like a really good idea of what you liked and what you didn't like. So if you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't and you'd like to, subscribe down below. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys!